All right, so this is my Monument Grill Mesa. I got this from Lowe's, got it delivered to my house. Kind of good deal. I think it was like $4.50. Free delivery, free assembly. I loved it, right? Lowe's did a really good job delivering it. Really unique grill, right? So you have your see-through glass there, so you can actually see what you're cooking without opening it. You have your thermostat here. Now, it's not the biggest grill on the inside. That's one thing I noticed when it showed up. And I did look at it in the store. I don't know. When I got home, I go like, it's a little bit smaller than I wanted, but that's okay. Functionality-wise, the igniter seems to work fine. All of the dials feel really good. They're real big, okay? And this is a 5-burner. This is really neat. This broil zone is awesome. If you really want to get a good sear on a steak, you have this extra burner. So basically, it's got 3 burners, and this other burner is pretty high. So you really can get a nice sear, which I really was looking forward to, because I had before this, I actually had a Weber, and I just could never get it hot enough. It always just everything seemed to just kind of broil or not broil, like boil on the grill. Like it would never get hot enough. So that was something I was looking for, and I was really worried about this maybe not getting hot enough. Okay, so you can see right now, I mean, it's at what, 400 degrees? You know, it has a side burner, which I haven't used yet. And you can see I have it angled here because I'm having a lot of problems with the flames actually blowing out. And if you look in the back here, I guess it was somehow the air was getting in the back here and blowing this out up front. Not sure why. The one thing to point out that I actually didn't know is that these have lights in them. So if you look, see that? At nighttime, it looks pretty cool. Kind of just tells you what's on and what's off. Propane bottle. The storage down here I really like. Okay, there's the battery there. Now with all that, right, it looks good. The wheels work really well. They lock. There's 4 locking wheels. It can basically spin. You're probably wondering why I'm making the video. I think, unfortunately, though, I'm going to be sending this back. It just doesn't get hot enough. I mean, look, it's sitting at 400. I have it turned all the way up. It just doesn't, I don't know. It just doesn't, like those cheaper char grillers, they just get so hot. And I know they're probably not as efficient, but it just, I don't know. Like, look at this chicken. It just doesn't, to me, that's just not cooking. I don't know. It's just not, like here, that's nice. Look at that brown. Look at that. That looks great. That's what you want, like that. But this inside, like I said, this does really well. This broil zone. But everything everywhere else kind of doesn't. Like, I don't know why over here it's doing this. It's just like white. I don't know. It drives me nuts. And then the chicken kind of gets rubbery. Like, look, this one over here. It's right on top of a flame. I don't understand what is going on. So I think I'm actually gonna, I never did this before. I might return this one actually to Lowe's. I don't know if they're gonna actually even gonna take it back. I'm gonna try. But you know, this is the first Monument grill I ever got. It's got an opener there, you know. I don't know. I'm not trying to trash it. I'm not trying to say it's not a good grill. It's just maybe not for me. It just doesn't get hot enough. I also don't like I wish it was just a little bit bigger. All in all, though, it does work, okay? So also, too, the other thing, it's very solid, very solidly built. That was also another thing I noticed. I like that the lid you can see through. You got plastic up here, which I didn't realize. This window, I don't use it that as often as I thought, but I do like the window. But I can see that probably after a while, I'm possibly getting all greased up. But this is the Mesa series, the Monument Grill. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Please consider subscribing to the video. Let me know what you think about these. I'm half and half. For the last week, I've been deciding I'm going to take it back. I just told my wife I'm taking it back. I don't know. I guess we'll see. But I wanted to kind of just give you a look at it. Like, look, it almost seems like it's off. I don't know. The flames sometimes do like this thing where it sounds like it's a jet engine. So maybe I'm just being picky. So, Mike Found Video TV, please consider subscribing to the video. Make a lot more videos about DIY stuff. This is my first grill video. Tell me what you think if you have it, if you're happy with it, or if you pick it up. All right, I'm out.